So yesterday was pouring rain all day long, so we decided to go for a road trip. Ended up at the closest Cabela's, which is 2 hours away. We picked up this camp griddle. I've always wanted one, so let's put it together and make some breakfast. So it's all together. I was pleasantly surprised how assembled it was. We'd bought a new barbecue last year and I had to do basically everything but paint it. So I'm just gonna hook up the propane now and then I can fire it up and season the griddle itself. So this is the Camp Chef Expedition 16 3-burner. We bought this grease tray extra. It was $25. It came with a little holder to hold like a steel soup can type thing, but this locks on and feels a lot more secure. You can take the little tin foil liner out of it and dump it. So let's get it fired up and season this griddle. So we have this cast iron conditioner. The best way to season cast iron cookware, they're quite confident. So let's give it a try. So we've only used it once so far, but I give it 2 thumbs up. It seems like a well-built, solid unit. Nothing on it feels cheap or plasticky. It all feels robust. I think it'll last many years. If any of you guys are in the market for a propane griddle, I think I can safely recommend this one. Thanks for watching. Take care.